Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our privilege to introduce our distinguished guest for today's session. Meet Mr. Muhammad Siddique Tahiri, an accomplished scholar, author, speaker, organizer, teacher, trainer, and facilitator. His dynamic and multidimensional personality, combined with a unique approach to teaching, has inspired countless students across a wide range of disciplines. He holds an M.Phil degree from the University of Karachi and a degree in Islamic and Social Sciences from Aleemiyah Degree College. He is also a certified master trainer from NED University, having completed the Train the Trainer program, in addition to numerous certifications and workshops. Over the years, Mr. Tahiri has delivered lectures across Pakistan, particularly in sessions organized by RTJ, covering Islamic studies, education, motivation, and spirituality. His work focuses on personal development, career counseling, and fostering unity in diversity. He has also conducted numerous online sessions and certificate courses and is the author of 4 books, with his upcoming publication focusing on sociology. Notably, one of his earlier works provides valuable training for parents. Mr. Tahiri has served as a visiting faculty member at the University of Karachi and as a lecturer at Aleemiyah Degree College, Karachi.
Currently, he is serving as a lecturer at one of the federal government degree colleges after passing the Federal Public Service Commission examination. These achievements didn't come overnight. Behind every milestone were countless struggles, silent battles, moments of doubt, and endless patience. Yet, he never stopped. Step by step, he kept moving forward, with faith in his heart and guidance from his spiritual mentor. And this journey, this beautiful movement of growth and purpose, will continue throughout his life. Last but not least, he also aims to lead an international virtual institute, through which he will continue to impart knowledge and training globally.
Please join me in welcoming Sir Muhammad Siddique Tahiri as we look forward to an enlightening session under his guidance. Let's give him a big round of applause.